For decades, trainers and educators have had to face a difficult trade off: how to adequately train staff on complex systems and machines while balancing their efficiency and productivity in the field. You can give lectures, assign books, encourage people to learn facts, but chances are, with highly complex subject matter, these training tactics will fall short. You can bring in field staff for live training, but that is costly and time consuming. Now, there's a way to get the results you want with a lot less money and in a lot less time. Hi, I'm Christine, and I'm part of the Enduvo team. I'm going to show how immersive experiential learning is better, easier, and less expensive with Enduvo, the leading content authoring and distribution platform for mechanical, technical, and healthcare industries. Enduvo uses the same graphics and videos that we see in most training classrooms today, and it's simple to add a whole new dimension to make learning more engaging and interactive. With Enduvo, you can augment your graphics and videos with a 3D model for better learner engagement, better conceptual understanding, better memory recall, and better retention. Research tells us we remember 20% of what we hear, 30% of what we see, and 90% of what we experience. Best of all, these experiences can be created in minutes with no technical training or big budget. See how easy it is to import 3D models and assets as props for your class. You can do it in 4 simple steps. Select your topic, upload the assets, narrate your lecture, and share. That's it. It's that simple. Instead of trying to understand complex concepts in a two-dimensional world, deciphering top and bottom, various views, your learner can now interact directly with the model. They can make the model small, make it big, rotate the model. They can even look inside. And they can slice the model to view it from various perspectives. It makes it easy to visualize the complex internal structures and systems. Your learners can rewind or pause the lesson if they missed a concept or if they want to get to explore the model in depth. Best of all, anyone can create a lecture. You don't have to be a technical whiz to share your expertise. With Enduvo, you can teach, learn, and it's simply better.